Onyx and I here are going to go around and we're going to do an interview of the whole Feathered Friends flock. If you haven't seen the news, we live in Washington State and we've had an atmospheric river going through for the past week. We have another one coming. Today's a beautiful day. However, last night had major wind. So we had about 70-mile-per-hour wind rip through our property. We lost quite a few big trees. All the birds are okay, but we're gonna go around, we're gonna interview everyone, and we're gonna see how they feel about the windstorm last night. Ready, Onyx? Gussie, what did you think, buddy? Gussie was roosting last night, and he's a big boy, as you can tell. So he was having trouble staying up on his roost. What did you think, Bubba? He said, let's never do that again. He's not very happy about it. Are you grumpy today? Because you couldn't sleep last night. So that's how Gus feels. On to the next. The boys have the most to say. And here's Gobbles. She had quite a bit of wind last night, huh? Gobbles seems not too happy about what she endured. All right, we got Nugget Chicken here, and she's got a lot to say about the weather last night. What did you think of that storm, baby? Could you hear the trees falling? Oh my goodness. She said, so overall the consensus is everyone is okay. However, that was scary. Huh, Onyx? Was that scary? All of our coops are okay, all of our birds are okay. And it's a beautiful day. All right, you want cuddles, Onyx? Onyx is begging for cuddles, so that's our update. And we'll see you later.